So this short tutorial, I'm just going to show you the basics of Now and Then. I'm going to do a run through of this new Beatles song, and it'll just be the intro, verses and choruses and nothing else, just the basics. You'll also see the chords on the screen as well as the chord progression. The strumming pattern is a simple down, 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 up pattern. Nothing too complicated. A nice one. But if you find strumming a little difficult, then just keep it to downstrokes all the way through. I think the only difficult chord in this song is the B minor. Everything else I think should be pretty standard for a beginner guitarist. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's true. It's all because of you. And if I make it through, it's all because of you. And now and then, if we must start again, well, we will know for sure that I will love you. Now and then, I miss you. Oh, now and then, I want you to be there for me, always to return to me. I know it's true. It's all because of you. And if you go away, I know you'll never stay. Now and then, I miss you. Oh, now and then, want you to be there for me, always to return to me. Let me know how you get on with this, and thanks for joining me today. Happy strumming.